Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Jones. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to pre-plan the week of the 21st of February in my 7x9 timed planner. I'm using Cat Cafe from Plannerface because we are going to a cat cafe. I'm meeting up with Beth and Sophie this weekend and we are going to a cat cafe. So yeah, I thought I'd use this. So that is the kit there. It's obviously old format. I also have the sparkle twinkle dot overlays from my shop because they came from a collab with Beth. So yeah, seemed appropriate. And then I have this washi from Simply Gilded as well. Got my stickers pulled out from my Plannerface reusable sticker album. And that's what we are working with. So here is the week in the planner. I do PR for Plannerface, so you can get a discount by mentioning me. And yeah, that's about it. Without any further ado, I'm going to speed up and pop the base of the spread down. Whilst I'm popping the base down, I'm just going to chat about a little topic, and today I'm going to talk about sort of judging people based on their appearance alone. And this is obviously sometimes racially motivated, and is sometimes due to people, you know, judging how people look in terms of their race, but I'm also talking about in terms of dyed hair or obesity or absolutely tons of stuff that people just get judged for all the time, and it is such an unhealthy mechanism that people live by, doing this automatic judging or just like generally judging people for whatever they do. My general attitude to life, and I think it's a really like healthy one, is who cares as long as they're not hurting anyone. Like, why do you care who somebody is sleeping with? Does it impact on your life? No. So like leave them to it. If it's not hurting anybody, who cares? I don't know, like that's my general outlook on pretty much everything, is if it's not damaging anybody, why do you care? And your hair colour, your skin colour doesn't damage anybody else. So just stop the judging of people for crap that you can't control. It's just not a healthy way to live your life. Okay, so I've popped in my morning routine every day, and I'm just popping in the wash hair as well. And I have popped in these stickers to put in my videos, but for some reason I haven't actually pulled out stickers for those, so we need to grab some stickers for that, which I believe are in this album. I'm never sure. Yeah, they're mostly in here. I'm sure I pulled out some play pause, but clearly not because they're not here. But we've just got 3 of these play pauses for my 3 videos going up this week, which are Monday, Wednesday and Friday as usual. There we go. So that's all of the basis of the spread stuff in. So let's have a little... To be honest, there's barely anything to put on this side of the page. The only other thing to mark in is that my cleaner is coming on Tuesday. So I'm just going to put that in. And then everything else is the second half of the week. So we'll zoom in and have a little look at the second half of the week. We'll just pop this cleaner in there. And then everything else is either... Oh, I knew I had play pauses, they're there, I just missed them. Oh well, let's zoom in and look at the second half of the week because this is all just work. Okay, so Friday evening I have new releases coming out as usual. They come out about 7:30, so a sticker just there kind of works for that. I've just got that there and that in here. So Sophie is coming across and staying with me overnight here so that we can drive to Liverpool on the Saturday. But in the morning, so this probably needs to be pull stickers, which I haven't actually pulled anything out for. I need to check what time Sophie's train gets in. Where's my phone? I really don't know. I feel like it's like 3 o'clock. Right, anyway. So that's going to be pull stickers, and then I think I will try and work on orders first. So let's pull in this for orders, and we're actually going to pull this down a little bit. I'm going to put the little sticker on the top for orders. And then I'm going to film, which I'm again going to put in a half box, but it's going to be a half box up on its side for filming. Does that work? Yeah, why not? Because we're also going to film our collab that day, once I've picked Sophie up from there. So that's for filming. Yeah, and then I need to go and pick up Soph from the train station / wherever her bus gets in. I assume it's the train station. Don't actually know. So I'm just going to use an appointment label or a skinny. We use a skinny box because it's probably like an hour of driving by the time I've been there and back. So that's for driving to pick Sophie up. Then our collab probably won't take that long to film, so I'm feeling a third box or a layering functional. I feel like a layering functional might work well. Yeah, let's go for this last heart that's actually usable, and then those are going to go in the bin. So we've got that there for our collab. Cute. And then we've got a little bit of time, which we'll just be chilling out together here. And what box fits in that gap? I think it's probably a third box size thing. And there's no pink on this day so far, so we'll pop in pink there for chilling out with Sophie. And that is Friday sorted. Saturday, I need a tiny bit more. No, I'll just mark that Sophie's on a night on that. Let's mark that in while I think about it. So just put Sophie's night shift in up here, because he is on a night shift that night. Would be better further down, but he is on a night shift there. Okay, so similarly I'm going to mark the night shift while I remember on Saturday and Sunday, and I'm just going to use little things again for both of those. They're the same colour, and I feel like I should care, but I really don't. So just got again a little heart and a night shift script for his 2 night shifts. We'll worry about his other shifts in a minute, but they're just in there before I forget about them. Okay, so first things first, me and Sophie are going to drive across to meet Beth. So I'll use a third box. No, that's the same as the pattern next to it, so that looks dumb. Let's go with this one instead. There. So that's for driving across to meet Beth. And then we're going to explore Liverpool a bit, which I feel like half box. Let's go with a half box. Up on its side? Yeah, up on its side. No. For exploring Liverpool. Then I'm going to mark in the cat cafe, and I want one of these slightly bigger quarter boxes for that. Or actually, for the cat cafe I'm going to pull in this flag here. Cute. For the cat cafe. That's at 2 o'clock. Then the rest of the night is just going to be chilling out in our hotel room, having fun. So let's do that with a half box, and along the top of the half box I'm going to put in these 3 ratties to represent the 3 of us chilling out and having fun. So 1, 2, 3, so that's our little squad. I like that, it's cute. And I had also pulled out a sticker to say about designing, but yeah. Then on the Sunday I'm going to put in a box first thing, because I don't really know what our plans are, so that can just go in. And I want to use some more boxes. Then I'm going to pop in, probably after that, driving home. And I think a layering functional again for driving home. Oh, I don't know what time Sophie's train back is. But, oh god, I've destroyed that. Start again. But she's presumably getting the, not the train, the bus coach back. So that can, I've just got a little packing sticker for that. And then pop in some designing on a quarter box. And then whatever will fit in that space, which I believe is probably third box or maybe one of these boxes sized. Yes, one of those boxes sized. So actually we're going to put these the wrong way around because I can't actually, so that's for designing. And this is going to be foil and print, but because of the box I used, it didn't work the other way around, but obviously it has to be the other way around because things have to be designed before they can be print and cut. So I don't actually have space to put in tidying or changing the sheets, but that's kind of fine. It is what it is. I do want a design sticker though. There's one there. Design in there. Okay, so that's that. So let's zoom out and look at the whole thing, and we need to add in my work shifts, Socia's work shifts, and that's it. And some full boxes. So I'll zoom out now. So I think first things first, I'm going to pop in some full boxes. So I want to save the double box. I've used one pink hair girl, so I'll save the other pink hair girl. We'll use the brunettes in there. And then, how many do we need? 4. So that's leaving us with 8 at the moment. So we need another 3 stickers. So we're leaving the double box in those 2. So it's 3 of those 4. So we'll use one of them on the bed and the other 2. Does that work? But I kind of want to leave that one, so we're going to use 2 bed ones, that's fine. So we just want to then nicely put these in so they're spread out beautifully, so that they're not in any pattern or anything. It's what I try not to do. But I always somehow end up with some form of pattern because you do. I would quite like to put this one up a bit higher, and I'll put the one on Monday a bit lower, I think. Maybe I'll change my mind about Sunday. Maybe actually I'm going to change my mind about Sunday. I'm going to leave that blank for whatever we do on Sunday that we haven't planned yet, because I'm sure we will do some stuff. So we'll leave that gap for whatever we do, and we'll put this girl in, which means we want to do some rearranging of boxes. Why am I like this? So we'll put this girl on Friday, and then we'll put this girl on Monday, so that they're nice and spread out. And this can go up on Wednesday, somewhere in the middle. That's better. Just more spread out of boxes, and we'll leave this space for whatever we decided to do. So then I need to pop in my work shifts, which I'm going to mark in with these arrows. So we've got 4 long days. I'm just going to pop in there, and one more here. And then Socia's work shifts. Are there no birthdays this week? That's incredible, really. Then we have, so we put them on littles so far, so we'll just do that for the other 3, which are 1, 2, 3. So put that one in there, that one in there. Pull this down a bit so it's not as cramped. This one in here. And then he's not working Thursday, so there's absolutely tons of space on Thursday that I don't really know what to do with. Just pull this up a bit so it looks less dumb. That's fine. So for my work, I have dinos as usual. Obviously got to use as much colourful as coat as possible. There. and long day scripts. 1 there, here and here. And then Socia's shifts, he is on an evening there and he's on late, which are twilights or something, so he's working till like 3 AM or something stupid. And evening and twilights I only really have in silver foil, so he is getting silver foil to mark his shifts in, but they're obviously his because of the heart. As I said, I've not got tidy and change sheets in, so I might pop them in at the bottom of these days just so I remember to do it at some point. So Thursday evening would be a good time to change the sheets, because I also need to make up the bed for Sophie, and then tidying can just go on Tuesday. And I mean, it probably will get done earlier in the week, but I'm also just slightly filling this space a little bit. Then at some point I need to, I said I need to pull stickers at some point. So although I probably won't do it that evening, we're going to pull stickers in down here. So for that we'll just use, there's a stickers flow planner in the kit. So that is everything, I think. We've got the overlays to pop in though. So I'm going to just speed up, pop the overlays in, and then I'll write everything in as well. So whilst I'm writing everything in, it's time for our weekly check-in. How are we all doing? I'm alright. My tummy's a bit sore today and I don't really know why. I'm sure it'll settle down soon enough. But yeah, brain-wise I'm doing okay. So can't really complain. I hope you guys are as well. I am loving how this spread is coming together as well, and I'm super excited to have a weekend with Beth and Sophie. So that is everything. Here is a little Viv wiggle for you. I'm loving how this came out. I think it's absolutely stunning. Here is what is left in the kit so far. It looks gorgeous and I'm so excited for it. Oh yeah, I love it. So that's there. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. Comment, like down below if you enjoyed it. If you've been to a cat cafe, let me know. I was so excited to have a weekend with Beth and Sophie. Don't forget to check them out. Colourful & Co and Rhymer Plans. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!